Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, everyone's new. My name is Nikki and I'm a teacher by day, an artist by heart, and a DIY beauty enthusiast. I love all things beauty, whether it be hair, makeup, skincare, art, the transformation of things from one stage to another, upholstery, restorations. I love all of it. So I just want to share that with you. So today I'm going to show you how I got this look using products that we can get from our local cosmetic store, our go-to, the GOAT, Pennywise Cosmetics, and also using these colors on my lips, which two of them is three colors, two of them are locally made. It's a local brand, so I'm really happy to be supporting them as well, and I hope you guys enjoy my content and continue to follow me. All right, so I guess with no further ado, please enjoy the video. Okay, so this is my third time recording this voiceover, and third time does it. So we're starting off with the Arista cream to powder foundation. I'm using my flat top brush and I'm patting it in. Pat for your life. Pat, pat, pat. And as you can see, this foundation is almost exactly my skin color. Well, barring the places that have the hyperpigmentation and the variation in texture and tone. But it matches me almost perfectly. It's like butter. It just melts into your skin. I absolutely adore this foundation, and it's less than $40. Moving on, we're gonna pick up now the LA Girl Pro Concealer. We're putting it on the inner corner and the outer corner of our under eye, the middle of our brows, and our chin. Using the bottom of the beauty blender, we pat because we don't want any harsh lines, we don't want any product built up in any area. We want to make sure I'm pat well. Then we're going in with the concealer brush. We're going to take a little bit more of that concealer and we're going for precision under the brow. I have very thick, dark brows. I don't need to draw in my brows. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to add any product to my brows. So all I'm doing is going to clean it up. It's like I'm giving it a mark. It's being refreshed, renewed. It's being given new life because I'm going up underneath it and I'm cleaning it up. New brow, who this? That's how I feel after doing my brows. Alright, going on the next side, doing the same thing. And I pulled on the excess product because we don't want to be pulling it to the side and then it's just all by a hairline. Eventually I had to bring it down. Right? So we're bringing it down, we're bringing it across, we're making sure the line is crisp. Using the beauty blender to pat out any rough edges, any sharp lines of demarcation between your foundation and your concealer. Now we're going in with this espresso palette that I got from Wonderful World 10 years ago for $20. It works great for me. I'm using the darkest brown. I'm using a sharper eyeshadow brush. It's going to go into the crease of the lid. So we're just injecting that right now into the crease. Going back and forth with that, and then we're going to take a fluffy brush like so, like that, and fluff it out. Looking good? Yeah. So the next side now, we're going to do the same thing. Sometimes you want to make some little circles. It helps to get a nice fluffed out, fanned out finish. You don't want no harsh straight lines or anything like that. When doing your makeup, light is your best friend. You can see all your flaws, all your mistakes. You want to see everything before other people see it. We're taking the tan now and we're going in on the lid itself from the inner corner to the end of the lid. We're going quite up by the brow bone, like where you went with the darker color. We just want to have those two nice colors there. And that's it. We're very simple with the glam today. But it's glam because it's a high contrast. Then we're going into the inner corner of your eye. You're going with a little bronze. It have a little metallic finish to that. So you're going to just put a little pat. That's just for when you turn your head to dazzle people a little bit. Right. Good. I did a little bit too much there, so I have to clean it up a little bit. I put in some concealer back on my brush again, and I'm going in to clean up. Pat. All right, my fave, Black Opal Mascara. Very buildable, very thick. She thick, right? And you can't see it, it's not doing justice from the distance of the camera, but it does wonders for my lashes. And only do 2 coats. I'll put this first one on, let it dry a little bit, and then go in later for a second coat. Now I'm going into my inner waterline on my lower lash. I'm going to go in there with this Ruby Kisses black liner. If you're like me and you're sweaty, that's going to run by the time you leave the house. So I like to go in and reinforce it with some black eyeshadow. Sorry. So from the same palette, I'm just going to take a stiff angled brush, dip it in the black, and reinforce that black. Right, going back for a second coat of the mascara. Right, kind of feeling myself a little bit. Now we're going in for the lips. I'll put the color of this lipstick on the bottom. It's from L'Oreal. It's better than any lip liner I have ever used. It's the perfect color, it's perfect smoothness, and it goes on quite easily. I don't know about you, but I bruised my lip a few times with some hard lipstick pencils. This is from Kazmetics, a local brand. They have like a burnt orange and then a bright orange. They look beautiful together. Because I'm darker, I like to line it with the darker lipstick first and then go in with those 2 colors. Going in with my round top brush now. I don't know the name of it. I'm going in with this Arista setting powder. It's white and I love it. Makeup doesn't move, it doesn't look greasy. It's perfect. Okay, as a happy dance. Then we're going in with this fan brush and we want to put a little bit of highlight on the nose bridge, the tip of the nose, the cheekbones, the forehead, and the chin. And a little bit on the cupid's bow. Right, we're just dabbing up the brows with a little brow gel for she to stay in place because she could be wild. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe, all the things. Bye.